I'm really quite sad. I'm just checking our results on Trustpilot for our service, and it's not good. Now, I'd love to improve our service and do a better job for customers, but everyone knows that better service costs more, and we just don't have the budget. Wait, did he just say that better service costs more? No. I have to put this right. By the way, this is a great book, you should get it. I'll tell you how to do that at the end. Your ability to deliver high value but low effort service for the customer and low cost service for you is really about how well you manage two types of work. First is value work, the second is waste work. Let's look at these two types of work in more detail. Let's say that this bowl represents your organisation, and inside the bowl is your capacity to deliver service to the customer. That capacity is made up of your resources and the type of work that they are doing. Let's look first of all at waste work. See whether or not you want that consuming your capacity. Rework, we don't want that. Multitasking, we certainly don't want that. Errors, get rid of those. Duplication, we definitely don't want duplication. Batching, we certainly don't want batching. And checking also consumes lots of capacity. Did you know that the research shows that up to 70% of a service organisation's capacity is consumed by waste type work? If we take out the waste, let's see what we have left. Well, we have value work. Value work is work related to the purpose of the organisation from the customer's point of view. It means that it's work that the customer would actually pay for, and also it's work that progresses the customer request through the journey. Look at what's left in the bowl. Now we have at least 2/3 more capacity. What do you want to do with that capacity? Maybe what you could do is you could create additional service propositions. Maybe you could create additional businesses. Or maybe you could just bank the money. You see, with less waste and more value work being done, better service really does cost less. Wow, that's amazing. So what we're saying is if we all follow this formula, we can have low cost, amazing service. If you're ready to improve service and cut costs now, go to the link below, book a short call, and let's see if we can help you. If you want more information, go to the link underneath that and get a copy of my book on service improvement at lower costs. Either way, remember to subscribe, like, and share.